The future log is a core collection in the bullet journal method, and it is typically placed quite close to the front of your notebook, normally coming directly after the index. The purpose of this collection is to capture any of your date-specific happenings that are in months that are yet to come, or months that you haven't yet set up in your bullet journal. The way that writer Carol suggests that we set up our future log is by taking a blank spread, or 2 facing pages, and dividing each of those pages into 3 using horizontal lines. Each of the 6 spaces that we've cut the spread into then get a header of a month name, typically starting in the top left-hand corner, working our way down the left-hand page, and then moving on to the right page, starting at the top and working our way down. Once you have the spread set up, then you can start populating it with information. As said, the information held in the future log is date-specific future happenings. Typically people limit this to events, but you can also include tasks in here too. To log that information though, you just put a bullet to indicate the type of information being recorded, in this case a small circle to indicate an event, and then write out the date the entry relates to and a description of that entry. So for instance, on the 8th of August is my brother's birthday. For events that span a range of dates, you can either put in an entry that has the date range, so for instance my parents having been here from the 7th to the 11th, or you can enter that as 2 separate entries that just list the start and end date. Your entries do not have to be listed in chronological order, for instance the entries we have in September on this example, and you can also enter entries that have the same date but different events, like we have in October. While this is one of the most simple future logs you could set up, if you're looking for something a little bit more decorative or a little bit different, then we have a video of different future log layouts that would be worth checking out. That one's linked on screen here, so click or tap on that one and I'll see you over there.